Siyoloswenzile nje amavidiyo ngalento eyitabane ngoba cha yona iyanyanyisa uyazi futhi inyanyisa lokho okugcina ngci. Inyanyisa nje lokho okugcina ngci. Sikhona ke isidlathuvi engibona ividiyo yaso lapha ku-YouTube beyithathile laba bama TVs lawa amancane o-YouTube bayithatha bayifaka laphana. Ya isidlathuvi lesi siginqathuvi lesi somfanyana nako uyakubona nje noma kukhuluma ukuthi inkonkoni yamasemba lenja le. Kukhona lokwa lomfanyana lona onobuso obumise okwedilozi likamahosho zacile. Lo mfana lona onamazinyo angazi noma ama gold teeth in leza zinto noma ama pepenolox kodwa kugcwele nje la emazinyeni kugaxele nje la emazinyeni kuyacwebezela. Angazi noma iloko okuthiwa ama gold teeth or ugaxela ama pepenolox kuleyansha emazinyweni. Le naye le nje ethi mayikhuluma ingingize engathi ibindwe isihlama esishisayo lensha lethi mayikhuluma ingingize. Kukhona nje okomsunu lana okuhlezi ngingiza la ko TikTok ilebe lomfana into oyibonayo nje ukuthi umnqolo ogumbetsheni umachoba intwala zikanina lensha le. Bekukhuluma ke lana kuchaphuthuvi la ukuthi kukhulumela izitabane umsonwensha kukhulumela inkonkoni lana kufanisa kufanekisa ngabantu besifazane labesibaziyo nayo futhi lensha ebaziyo ukuthi abantu besifazane laba esingabadawuthi nabo futhi abangayidawuthi ukuthi abantu besifazane. Lenja ke beyifanekisa isenzo salabo bantu besifazane abayigqaja ngobubhinqa ngobubhinqa baze bagqoke izimpahla lezi esayikhetha thina amabhinqa ukuthi sizodisplaya ngazo ububhinqa. Lenja ke ihambile ke yabakhotha labantu besifazane abagqoka ububhinqa ngoba kunomahluko ukugqoka isintu sakwantu kwangoni nobubhinqa. Ububhinqa nesintu yinto ecishe ifane ngoba izalwa ndawonye. Ububhinqa buyingane yakwantu, ububhinqa buyindodana yakwangoni. Ububhinqa akubona isintu ububhinqa kodwa buzalwa isintu. Kusuke ke umsunu ohluleka ukuhlaziya izinto nokudistinguisha izinto wazohlanganisa lezinto waze wakhotha abesifazane abagqoka ububhinqa wathi yena sithuli sithini why singabagxeki labantu besifazane. Ukhothileke laphana wakhotha uMadlamini nangulo sisi lo odrivayo laphana amaquantum laphana kulento lena ushunu wamanzi leyanto leyana yamatekisi le nezimoto lezi ezigeziwe laphana ushunu wengezo loyana wakhotha ke lo sisi lona ohleze wina lapha kuleyanto waphinde wakhotha abanye osisi abajwayele ukuba o-MC emcimbini kaMaskandi wakhotha ondoni nangulo undoni usisi kaSaliwa njoba athi mayecula nje uMaskandi usisi wethu eperforma kwi-staging sakhe usuke egqoke ibheshu. Lo mfana ke uhluleka ukujula ngomqondo akwazi ukuhlukanisa i-staging nento eserious esibiza ngesintu sethu njengabantu. Uhlanganisa lezo zinto ke lo mfana in the name of trying to advocate for itabane. njengoba eyisitabane nje esiyinkonkona umsunwenja. Uzama ukuzo-advocate ke manje ukhulumela izitabane. Ngicela ke ukuqwashisa nabanye ke abathe mayekhuluma loMgodoyi bathi ukhuluma iqiniso noma bawulalela kwabe ngazuthi ukhuluma iqiniso. Ngicela nje ukunijulisa kancane ke ngithi ukuya deep kancane nginichazele nje ukuthi yini isintu, yini izembatho zesintu, bese kuthi yini ububhinqa futhi yini ongayimbatha lapha in the platform of ububhinqa. Njengoba sengichazile ukuthi ububhinqa abusona isintu kodwa ububhinqa buyingane yesintu, buzalwa isintu. Lokho ke kusho ukuthini? Lokho phela kuchaza ukuthi kwi-platform yobubhinqa noma kwi-engeli yobubhinqa ungasigqoka isintu, but you are not bound to isintu only. Ungazi adopta ngisho ebhinqeni mina, ungazi adopta ezinye izinto ezingekho esintwini, uzi adopte wena bhinqa elizalwa isintu. Uze ekuyi-adopteni kwakho lezi zinto uzenze zibe ububhinqa, uzigqoke ngendlela yobubhinqa, ebese kuze kube ngathi lezi zinto ziyisintu kanti zigcina ebubhinqeni, azikapakeli esintwini, azikapakeli kwangoni. Kunelimit, kunezinto ngempela lapha ebubhinqeni nje ku-unlimited ebubhinqeni, kanti la esintwini kunama-boundaries. Esintwini kunenqubomgomo yakwantu. Asikwazi ukudlebeleka kodwa ebubhinqeni siyakwazi ukudlebeleka. Kwantu asikwazi, kunezinto esingakwazi ukuzenza ngenxa yama-levels ethu, kunezinto esikwazi ukuzenza ngenxa yama-level ethu, kodwa ebubhinqeni we are unlimited. Ebubhinqeni siyakwazi ukuthatha into siyenze thina ngobubhinqa bethu, ebese leyo nto igcine seyivela kube ngathi iwububhinqa, kanti ebubhinqeni zonke izinto zifike ikhazimule ebubhinqeni, not kwantu. Ngizama nje ukunivezela something ukuthi ningagcini ni-embrace amasemba ngenxa yokungawezwe nuka. Amasemba ayanuka noma awanuki kodwa uthuvi. Lento eyenziwa zinkonkoni, umhlanzo, uthuva, amasemba leyanto. Asiqhubekeke. Ngizokwenzela isibonelo lapha ebhinqeni. Lapha ebhinqeni kuyaculwa lapha ebhinqeni. Lapha ebhinqeni kuhlelwa imicimbi. Lapha ebhinqeni kuyaculwa, kuhlelwa imicimbi, kudlalwa iginci, kudlalwa o-bass guitar, kudlalwa amapiyano, kudlalwa into eziningi lapha ebhinqeni. Lapha ebhinqeni isemidlalweni kahle kahle. Bese kuthi kwantu akusikhona-ke emidlalweni lapho, ku-serious lapho ngoba ikwantu lapho, ila thina sikhona singabantu. Mase siqedile nje ebhinqeni sibuyela kwantu. Kwanti sekhaya, ebhinqeni segroundini, ebhinqeni semgangeleni, semcimbini, ebhinqeni isehholo la khona senza khona ama-functions, kodwa kwantu isekhaya. Asikwazi-ke ukuzofanisa izinto zakwantu sifanise nasebhinqeni. Osisi bethu uma bezigqaja ngobubhinqa babo, bavumelekile ebubhinqeni ukuthi bazigqaje noma ingayiphi indlela abayithandayo ebhinqeni, kodwa mase sibuyela kwantu angeke ubathole osisi bethu begqoka amabheshu. Undoni ebubhinqeni uyaligqoka ibheshu ebubhinqeni, kodwa undoni asidideki ukuthi mayebuyela kwantu eseqedile i-performance yasebubhinqeni, esebuyela kwantu, ebuyela kuye, ebuyele ezimpandeni, ufike abe usisi, ufike abe owesifazane, ufike abe yiqhikiza. Lapha ebhinqeni ngeke umlobole undoni. kodwa uma ibuyela kwantu undoni umuntu wesifazane odiserve ukulotsholwa. Ake ngitshele nje izitabane zonke ihlangene la kule video ukuthi lento yezinkantolo, lento yokuthi nizobophisana, lento yokuthi futhi nizohamba ezinkampanini niqedele abantu imisebenzi angeke izinisebenzele, kunalokho inibangela amazondo wes. Khuzanani-ke izitabane. Lento nje yokuthi umuntu uzokhomenta kabi evidweni yakho ebese udonsa ivideo wena, I mean njalo udonse leyo comment wenze ngayo ivideo umsongela lo muntu leyo, nizibangela more ama-threats nenzondo emphakathini. Vele kuyacikizela ukwamukeleka kwenu, anamukelekile kahle. Uma ngabe nina nenza njengoDominic Zaca, nithatha ama-comment a-negative abantu abangaqondi, niwathathe nina lawo ma-comment nizowa-personalizer, nibe emotional towards ama-comment. Omunye umuntu mhlawumbe ubeyiphosa nje i-comment enganakile, omunye ubeyidlalela, omunye sometimes ube-serious ngenxa yokungaqondi. Lento ukuthi nina izitabane nizoresponda ngama-emotions, nithatha ama-comment abantu niwabhadekela, nisabisa abantu ngama-comment abo, nibasabisa ukuthi nizoya emsebenzini niyobaqedela imisebenzi or nizoya ezinkantolo niyobavulela amacala. Nizakhe anisolve lutho ngaleyo nto, anisolve lutho. Nina izitabane niclaim ukuthi nihlakaniphe okwedlula, nize nithi nifundile, nina nineyimali zenu, aninake bantu, ninake imali yenu, kodwa manje indlela enihandlisha ngayo ukuhlukumezeka kwenu irongi, ayisolve lutho. Ingakho kuze kube namhlanje izitabana zamukeleki, ngoba indlela enihandlisha ngayo izimo, niba too emotional, nihandlisha izimo ngama-feelings. Nihandlisha nina izinto ngama-feelings and anisolve. Kunalokho nenza isimo sibe worse. Uhlulwa yini ukuyi-ignora i-comment yomuntu ophansi kunawe nge-level? Uvele uyi-ignore. Mangakanani ama-comment mina engiwa-ignorayo nje, ngoba uyazi umuntu mangabe elokhuza ecommente into engibonayo ukuthi iyangithinta, ngiyeke ngingene ephejini lakhe lo muntu ngimbheke nje, ngibheke i-level yakhe, ngibheke i-age yakhe, uyabona, ngibheke nje amavidiyo akhe, izinto ayiphostayo, ngibone ukuthi hayi suka, is not worth, uyabona. Inqaba ama-comment mina engingawaphenduli, engivele ngiwa-ignore nje, engiwabonayo ukuthi lama-comment kufanele ngabe ayangithinta, kufanele ngabe ngiyawaphendula, kodwa ngivele ngingene kwi-profile yakhe umuntu ngibone ukuthi lokhu kuyazamazama, vele beyibhala le comment ngoba ubefuna i-respond. Sengiyajika-ke nami, sengenza isifiso sakhe, sengiyamsongela, mina ngizoza emsebenzini wakho, ngizoza kokwenza i-meeting nabaqashi bakho, mina ngizokudubula. For Masimbamani isingoma khanya siyithanda kangaka, igama lethu lilikhulu kangaka, sambe sisongela nje o-nothing, o-anonymous, sambe sibasongela imsuni nina nje izinto oyibonayo ukuthi lezi zinto lezi kunzima ngisho ukwenza i-content, azina content. Manje nina izitabane nishawa leyo majority, nina nishawa leyo majority. Ngiyafisa-ke mina ukuthi-ke senze nje i-meeting nezitabane, ke ifike nje noma ikuphi la singahlangana khona, kube namatafula nje la sizohlala khona, mhlampe nje noma zibe zingabi more than 10, uyabona, zingabi more than 10, sihlale nje nazo izitabane, ke silixoxe udaba lwazo, sizitshele izitabane ukuthi kuyingozi la, ningathinti, kungcono la, ningahamba la, uyabona, ngoba nathi sizinsizwa asidavuze, asigaluzi noma ikuphi noma kanjani. Nabesifazane abagaluzi sinoma kanjani noma ikuphi, banama limits. angeke-ke nina itabane kuthiwe nina kukampunzi edlemini nje niyagaluza nje noma ikuphi isebafazini niyagaluza nize nigagamele nibadlule nabo abafazi neqele ngale la bengafiki khona ingaphi emadodeni niyadlula nigagamele nize neqele ngale la thina singafiki khona ngoba siyazi ukuthi empilweni kunama limits uyazazi ukuthi uhamba ugcinephi uma ngabe umuntu isigaba sakho uyasazi manje nina itabane anisazi isigaba senu nina niyagagamela nina niyacaluza niyadlebeleka nina aniyazi into ekuthiwa ilimits aniyazi into ekuthiwa ired line aniyazi nina into ekuthiwa umuqa aweqi la nimuncana kanjani phambi kwabantu nigqoka imvunulo nimuncana kanjani nibashaya kanjani okhisi nigqoka imvunulo yesizwe nishaya okhisi phambi kwabantu even ngisho ningagqokile nje imvunulo kulichilo ukudonsana ulimi ngemilomo phakathi kwabantu kulichilo elihlaza cwe nina niyajikanizwa ukwenza lelo chilo nigqoka imvunulo yamakhosi imvunulo yesizwe nigqoka izikhumba zesizwe amasimba lawo so leyo nto isho ukuthini isho ukuthi okay nina itabane anikaze nilithole kahle ithuba lokuthi kexoxe nje nani ukuthi njengoba senikhethele impilo ke qaphelani lokho niqaphele lokho niqaphele lokho ngoba siyoniqala la kwi-social media thina sinikhuze sinihlabe sinihlikize bese nithola ukuhlukumezeka ngisho ey'ndaweni enihlala kuzo ngenxa yokuthi aniqapheli niyagagamela nimuncana kanjani phambi kwabantu wesi nigqoke imvunulo yesizwe nimbethe izembatho zobukhosi besizwe nikwenza kanjani lokho namanje siyasho singomakhaya asinankinga nani asinankinga nobutabane benu asinankinga naleyo nto kwayithina singomakhanya masithanda nje singaba izitabane singaba izitabane masithanda bengisuke nje ube isitabane hey where oh mfazi mama ungavuma ukuthi ngibe isitabane hey where oh hey hi bona where oh hey uthuvi wento ayi mama hey ayi ngiyamajina sekuthiwa ngiyinkonkone madoda imani bafethu awukwazi nje ukuthi ube inkonkone ezinsizwa nje ungashintshi ivoice ungashintshi ukuhamba ungalo uthambisa ididi mawuhamba ube insizwa nje ube isiqhuthevu sombhemu kodwa uthola ukuthi nje udla indunu awukwazi ukuba yilo nhlobo manje kuyaphoqa noma isitabane engathi ungashintsha nokuhamba ushintshe nevoice ube sasisana kuyaphoqa ukuthi ube isitabane esinjalo hayi le video itabane ke nje le video le nama jokes engiwenzayo Nkosi yami aweyitabane Nkosi yami ngithi dudu kini itabane ngiyazi ukuthi nilaleni ngambethe kumbula kwembeswa lapho kini nitalajwe kanzima hey baniqedile ngomntalaphi imdidi yafutha be hey ngeke bafana bakithi hey kodwa nani nganikhuza man hayi lento yenu yokupetulana imdidi hey nganikhuza man hayi Cha asinankinga ke bakwethu nobutabane benu ngoba nazikhethela futhi kuyanisebenzela nina. Kodwa nje ake sibe ne-meeting.
LGBTQIA plus organizations have condemned what they call homophobic remarks made by Ngizwe Mchunu on social media in response to a same-sex customary marriage celebration where the couple wore traditional attire. The advocacy groups say such statements are not only deeply insulting and discriminatory, but also in direct violation of the South African Constitution, which guarantees the rights, dignity and equality of all individuals. Queer activist, feminist and human rights defender Tabzi Mabezane joins us now for more. Good evening and welcome to the late edition.
Good evening.
How do Mchunu's social media posts violate South African laws like the Constitution as well as the Cybercrimes Act?
Please repeat that for me again.
How do his social media posts violate South African laws like the Constitution as well as the Cybercrimes Act?
Yes, so that's a very, very good question. When we're talking about the violations on the post, it showed that if you had to go back to the Constitution itself, Section 9, where it speaks about equality, all people are equal before the law and protected against unfair discrimination, including based on sexual orientation. And we also look at Section 10 on human dignity as well, where everyone inherits dignity and right to have a dignity and respect and to be protected. While we also look at Section 31 that speaks about cultural rights, all South Africans have the right to participate in their cultural, religious and linguistic communities. This includes LGBTIQ plus persons who are entitled to celebrate love and tradition without prejudice. So to answer to that question, I think what these sections that are quoted actually answer the question that you just asked.
Now, what's being demanded of Mchunu to address his harmful content?
So what is required of him is that we want him to do a public apology, right? Not just a public apology, but also to own up to his, to what he said and say, yes, I am wrong, right? Which he is not owning up to this mistake. And he keeps on spreading false narratives, dangerous narratives that put LGBTIQ plus persons in fear, right? And making them not even want to be in the streets right now or moving around using public transport, like the taxis here in the taxi stations. We are afraid to go there, so we're looking at these type of things, right? What it's doing, how are they influencing anti-gender movements has created a whole lot of fear within our community.
Now, are there going to be legal steps taken against him if he doesn't comply with the demands from Transhope? And also just briefly explain to us who and what Transhope is.
Okay, thank you so much. I think we could have actually started there. So Transhope is an organization based in KwaZulu-Natal. They actually help, they help transgender people with affirming care and, transitioning, and also, of course, sensitization of LGBTIQ plus issues, and, they hold space for love and unity and dignity. So this is an organization that is trying to push in unity and inclusion from all dimensions and perspectives in KwaZulu-Natal. So Transhope is the lead organization that actually called us for collective power in terms of the issue of Ngizwe Mchunu.
What happens if he doesn't comply to the letter that has been published about him? Those demands you've made to him on after his after his quotes on social media?
Yes, so we've been reaching out to a couple of states in the government, including the Human Rights Commission, right? And they have been saying that they are looking into the matter. However, even though there is a submission to this letter and that there is visibility that is being created by other media outlets, it doesn't really scare him, because he continues to violate us and continues to create videos, and he's now influenced a number of people to also creating videos that also create fear, because some of the words that are being said in this it speaks about killing and speaks about us leaving South Africa. So I don't see any change at the moment, and we are still urging the government, to come, to come into to help us seek justice for this unlawful act of Mqunu.
Well, thank you so much for your time. That was queer activist, feminist and human rights defender Thabzi Mabezane.
Aniseba lebantase, very handsome, naze napale, mantombazane nisele nathi kuyaphoka, tina mapedi siyaheka, naze nasidibani sisizwe samakshosa namazulu, naze na imoshi mvunulo, intombi ezinamasende, umakoti ilobhebe nene wechebe, umakota kafihli bele, ifolti yamakhosa kodwa le ngimube kilungizwe, uyeza ungizwe, hayi busilendele umakoti wenzule, yini neni kasule ungizwe, hayi kulelizwe, omatapudaga isihlama laphela izwe, hawamahla madoda khona Jesu, ngemvunulo Jesu, masimbenu yeyeni kanti iluwethu, obumfazi ubunsizwa bomdidi, yayinhle into yezingane bakithi, Nkosi vikela izingane zethu amanyala maningi, kahleni nakho ngisala, ubunsizwa nobu waze wajikiza makoti, uphika ntumakoti, uzale uthi uzele indoda kanti ubani umfazi la, intombazane ngulo umzulu, yaze yaspoti indoda singamazulu, ayaphela madoda kuseli mvuthu, seniyaphephana manje lapho kwaZulu, waze wasilaza siwuZulu madlindu,